Okay, so hello guys. At ako nga po pala si Jizel De Vera at may nagbabalik sa channel na ito. So if you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell para makapanood ka ng mga iba't ibang videos about home-based jobs at anything na pwedeng pagkakitaan online. So for today's video guys is hindi tayo mag-share ng online earning. I just want to share something about my workplace. Ayan, magkakaroon din tayo ng mga siguro mga update lang, life update, mga ganun. Kung mayroon kayong pake, ayan, stay tuned until the end para wala kayong ma-miss na kahit anong information. Charing. So for today's video guys is I will feature a new product. Yes, magkakaroon muna tayo ng tech review no dito sa ating channel. Tayo hindi muna tayo mag-share ng online earning pero I hope meron din kayong paket to watch, alam niyo yan guys, to watch a tech review from us. So yeah, Mawono just sent us a new microphone para sa ating workplace. Well actually guys, I'm already a Mawono user. The unit is AUPM 442. So, yun yung gamit ko ngayon. Ito siya. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit sa vlog natin. Ayan, UP na siya. Talaga sinave ko yung box niya kasi ang ganda. Ayan, so this is monitorable USB condenser microphone set. And I bought it, guys. Ito, binili ko to sa Mawono online. And what's good here is pinadala nila tayo ng new product. Which is this one. Yes, it is Mawono's USB microphone boom arm set. Okay, so iba yung tsura niya. Ayan. And I think guys, this is much more affordable. Maganda rin yung quality niya. And that's why we're going to test out this product in this video. But before anything else, I just want to show you my unboxing of this product. And this time guys is iti-test out na natin tong bagong pinadala nila sa atin. And I'm really excited kung pagagandahin ba nito yung boses ko or whatsoever. Since I'm very particular guys sa microphone dahil boses ko ang aking puhunan. Char! Singer kate. Ilalagay ko siya somewhere dito rin sa desk natin. 'Di ba dalawa na yung mic natin. Hindi, testing lang natin. So, ito yung parang pinakasalaan niya. Kasi itong mic na to, na isa, bilog siya. Alam mo, pang recording artist, ganun yung peg. Pero ito, guys. Oh, thank you, Mawono, sa free, earphones. Ang haba niyan, guys, for monitoring talaga. Ito yung kanyang arm. Ayan. Past yan. Ito yung parang pinaka-kabitan niya sa table. And tungtong lang natin siyang ganyan. Papasok lang dyan. Yan. So, meron siyang yun. Yun yan. Then, we will, zoom in natin dun banda, no? Kabit natin siya dito. Sa tabi. Install ko na siya. Tingnan natin. Ayan. O, di ba? Tapos, ito yung sikipan niya. Ganyan. Ayan, ito. Kamukha lang nung nauna ko. Ayan. Chanan! And then this filter right here. Filter ba tawag dito? Salaan ng laway, ganun. So, very vintage ang datingan nito. I like it. Ayan. Fly me to the moon. Ano ganun? Pinaka-importante is yung wire. Ayan. Let's, Yung wire niya is mahaba naman. Ayan. Ito yung sa mic. Ito yung sa PC or laptop. So, now we will do a sound check dito sa PM461S microphone ni Maono. Alright, so now this is my voice using PM461S Maono microphone. So, maingay yung laptop ko as of now. Umaapilas siya, ganon. Talagang init na init yung laptop ko ngayon eh. Kaya, maingay siya. Naririnig niyo ba sa mic? So, based dito sa ating sa ating meter, pag hindi ako nagsasalita, in maximum, nasa -46 yung kanyang palo, no? So, yan, guys, is nasa gitna siya. Nasa gitna yung ating gain. Siguro, pag try natin yung palayo ako ng palayo. Ayan. Hello, hello. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Hello, sound check, sound check. Hello, sound check. Hello. Hello. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Ayan. Hello, sound check. Ayan, guys, so, nakikita ko dito yung natin. Yung meter ng ating, humihina rin siya. Ang galing, So, parang na-filter out talaga yung voice. Feel ko na mabiga dito, no? Ayan. Okay, so guys, papakinggan ko muna yung quality ng sound ng microphone na to. Then, I will be back for my final thoughts. Ngayon, guys, I'm using the raw camera. Raw camera microphone. So, di ko muna siya ginamit as of now. Kasi gusto ko ibigay yung honest review ko. Para makita niyo rin yung difference, no? Kasi since pag gumamit ako ng condenser, hindi nyo madalaman. So, tinry ko siya, no? Galing. Kasi ang ganda ng quality ng voice. Ito. Harapan kasi to guys. Yung merong calibration. Diyan, dito ka dapat lang na magsasalita. Kasi dito parang you're behind someone you're speaking with. So, ganun yung feels niya. Pero overall, no, with its quality, ang ganda ng sound dahil yung bass is na-absorb niya. And very noise cancelling kasi kahit na naka-max yung gain natin dito, hindi gaanong nakukuha yung background noise which is yung sa laptop natin na nag-iingay. Panlabanan din naman yung quality ng voice ko dito. Though, only comment ko lang siguro is ano kayang maiko-comment natin dito, no? So, ang comment ko lang siguro dito is ano ba? Parang wala eh. Maganda kasi siya. Oo. Para sa mga nagsisimulang magkaroon ng YouTube channel and gusto niyo magkaroon ng podcast, something like that, like interview, ganon. This is worth buying. You can calibrate it, like, pwede mo siyang i-control yung surroundings mo if gusto mong makuha niya yung exposure sa paligid mo. Yes, you can calibrate that. And another thing that I like with this microphone is yung design niya. It's very minimalist. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Hindi rin siya disturbing tingnan. Ayan, okay siya. 'Di ba? Maganda siya tingnan. Very classy, very vintage, very 1980s ganun. Siguro one of these days, I will use this one naman for my upcoming vlogs. Ayan. So yeah, thank you so much Maono for sending me this microphone. So, if you want to send more, huwag kayong mahiya. And guys, if you want to avail this microphone from Maono, this PM4616 Professional Audio Innovation microphone, I will just provide a link down below where you can buy it. And guys, this is very very high quality, very affordable, and with its price guys, sobrang sulit na niya. Sa mga merong freelance job na kailangan ng high quality voice recording, this one is worth buying. Okay? So yeah, once again, thank you so much Maono for sponsoring this. And guys, magkakaroon pa tayo ng maraming tech review dito sa ating channel, and abang-abang lang kayo dahil makakatulong ito guys sa inyong home-based job in the future or even right now. Kung naghahanap ka ng microphone, this is I recommend this, guys. Hindi lang naman dahil binigyan nila tayo ng libreng product, but I'm also a Maono user since then. So, mapapatunayan ko yan with this another box that I have right here. And with this one. And with my previous video, guys. Makikita nyo yun sa mga previous video natin. Ito na talaga yung gamit ko. So, thank you so much, Maona. I am your loyal user, and yeah, this is a dream come true na I became one of your ambassador. So, yeah, yun lang naman, guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to ring the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. And wag mo na rin kalimutan na mag-subscribe kay Demi TV or else hindi ka magkakaroon ng online job. So have a nice day, God bless, and goodbye!